Hi guys, today we're gonna make pizza, or I think watch pizza. Whoa. I have no idea what it is.
Hello, your pizza.
Let's make some toppings.
Just wait, you will have the at the same time. Nice. Should wipe your hair.
So I'm wearing a chef hat. It's not hilarious.
Just remove it. Make it add a sauce. After finishing the sauce, you put some pepperoni and cheese.
Now we're gonna put the cheese. Take this here, and this fold over. The cheese will melt, so you don't need to put it everywhere, and it will spread too. It needs a lot of cheese to make it pizza. That's what makes it yummy, right? We're gonna try it, so of course. You just put it like this. Okay, you're gonna make it. Comment down below what's your favorite food. And remember to like and subscribe. I'm going to even remember that in the ending of the video.
What?
Wow, it's ready! What do you think, guys? Comment the rate also if you want